Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing good well at home. This is me Amna Ashraf. I am your English teacher from Greenfields School. Students, today is reading day, so we are going to read one chapter. Chapter name is Tom's Sore Toe. It is on page number 50. So students, just go to page number 50, open page number, and I am going to read the chapter. Listen it carefully. So students, this is chapter Tom's Sore Toe. It is a starter, but starter we will continue in physical classes. Now we are going to read the story. Read the story. Tom Sawyer was unhappy. It was 7 o'clock on Monday. He wished he could stay at home, but there was nothing wrong with him. Suddenly he discovered something. One of his teeth was loose. He was about to start grooming when he remembered something. If he complained about a bad tooth, his aunt would pull it out. That would hurt. No, that wouldn't work. Then he found a sore toe, a good excuse. He lay in bed groaning loudly. Sid woke up. "What's the matter, Tom?" "Oh, Sid, don't touch me," groaned Tom. "What's the matter, Tom? I must call Auntie." "Don't call anybody. I will all be over soon." "But I must." "Don't groan like that, Tom. It's terrible." "I forgive you all the bad things you have done to me," said Tom, still groaning. "Oh, Tom, please don't die." Sid ran downstairs and shouted, "Oh, Aunt Polly, Tom's dying." "Dying?" "Yes, come quickly." "Don't be silly, I don't believe it." But she ran upstairs with Sid and Mary close behind her. "Tom, what's the matter with you?" she said. "Oh, Auntie, it's my sore toe. It's dead." "Oh, Tom, what a fright you gave me. Now stop this noise and get out of bed." "Aunt Polly, it seemed dead and it hurt so much that I even forgot about my sore tooth," replied Tom. "Your tooth? What's the matter with your tooth?" "It's loose and it hurts." "Open your mouth and let me see," said his aunt. "Yes, there is a loose one there, but you are not going to die because of that." "Mary, get me a silk thread and a piece of coal from the kitchen fire." "Oh, please, Auntie, don't pull it out. It doesn't hurt anymore. Please don't, Auntie. I don't want to stay at home from school." "Oh, so that's why you were making such a noise. You thought you'd be able to stay at home from school. You are a bad boy, Tom." By this time Mary had returned. The old lady tied one end of the thread to Tom's tooth and the other end to the bedpost. She took the piece of hot coal and suddenly pushed it almost into the boy's face. Tom quickly called back his head, and now the tooth was out, hanging on the thread by the bedpost. So students, this is your activity file, word list set number 7. Here are 20 words from the same chapter, Tom's Sore Toe. So students, what you will do, you have to underline these all words in this one chapter. ये आपको सारे words अपने book में underline करने हैं chapter में. Then you have to learn these all words for the dictation. Upcoming Friday I am going to conduct the dictation from these words. Firstly, what you will do, you will read the chapter carefully, then underline these all words in this chapter. ये सारे words जो आपने underline करने हैं. Then you are going to learn these words. आपने इन सारे words को अच्छी तरह से याद करना है. Then I will conduct dictation on Friday. So this is your task. So stay safe, stay healthy at home. Allah Hafiz.